In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Xoom, a PayPal service. Now, this is actually quite simple. All you have to do is go to Google and type in Xoom, so Xoom. You then want to click enter and go to the first website, which says send money online, Xoom, a PayPal service, xoom.com, so xoom.com. I think that's what it's pronounced. If it's not, excuse me. Now, you want to click this. In here, you want to select to which country you would like to send the money to. So for me, this time, let's say it's going to be United States. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna click this, and you'll be then redirected to where you have to choose the amount, how much you would like to send. Now, send amount can of course vary. You can put whatever you want to. You can also change the receiving amount, and this will change the send amount accordingly. Okay. Now, let's say we're gonna do 200 euros. Okay, and as you can see, the conversions are as follow. They're stated down here, so you can simply change to even send from USD, so there's no conversions in between. Then what you always want to do is click show fees and read all about the fees you get and the fees you pay for different instances, so for debit cards, for bank deposits, or for cash pickups. Once you're aware of the fees, again, that's very important, you want to click send now. Once you do that, it will give you kind of an overview where it says you are sending and contact receives. Pretty much that's correct. You can still make changes, as you can see, if you want to, and you can still change the kind of currency. And then you want to click show fees for this transaction to view them again. And as you can see, the fees start at this, which you can see on the screen. However, it may vary depending on where you're sending from and to where you are sending. Now, once you've done this, you want to press next first, and then you want to select the receiving option. Now, debit card deposit is typically available in minutes, and it can deposit directly to a Visa debit card. The bank deposit can deposit to, as you can see in my instance, Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, and more. In your case, if you're sending to a different country, it will of course be different. And then cash pickup, excuse me, is typically available in minutes. And you can also read over here where you can pick up your cash. Now, this may not be available, the cash pickup may not be available in all the countries, so if you don't see this option, you'll most definitely see these two most of the time. However, this one is available only in some countries, so if you don't see it, the country you're trying to send money to does not offer cash pickup via Xoom, okay? Now we're gonna do bank deposit for this one, and click sign up now. What you then want to do is log in with your PayPal account or sign up for PayPal if you don't have an account yet. It's very easy. All you need is an email, a phone number, and to put in your name and surname. I think that's it. And then, yes, you'll be able to continue, put in your recipient to who you're sending to, his information, and then you'll be able to send money with Xoom. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.